Round each number to the indicated place value. Round 476 to the nearest 10. So this is the tens place. So we have to look to the number to the right of it. It's a 6, which means we round up, which means that 7 changes to an 8, and everything that follows is a 0. Round 1284 to the nearest 10. In this case, the 8 is in the tens place, which means we have to look at the 4. A 4 rounds down. So 1, 2, the 8 can stay the same, and everything after becomes a 0. 1,280. Round 9,756 to the nearest 100. The 7 is in the hundreds place. Look to the number to the right of it. 5s round up, which means that our 7 is going to transform into an 8, and everything after it becomes a 0. Don't forget your comma. Round 14,349 to the nearest 100. The 3 is in the hundreds place. The 4 is to the right of it, and 4s round down. So we're going to have 14,000. That 3 gets to stay the same. And put all zeros after it. Round 28,604 to the nearest 1,000. This is our thousands place. The digit to the right is a 6, which means it's going to round up. So we put our 2. The 8 goes up to a 9, comma, and everything else becomes 0. Round 73,501 to the nearest 1,000. The 3 is in the thousands place. We look at the number to the right of it, which is a 5, and 5s round up. So our 3 is going to change to a 4, comma, and everything else becomes 0. Around 698,245 to the nearest 10,000. The 9 is in the 10,000 place. And the number to the right of it is an 8, and 8s round up. In this case, the 9 can't simply change to a 10. It's going to change one number to the left of it also, which means this number is going to become 700,000. Round 4,962,781 to the nearest 100,000. 9 is in the 100,000 place. The number to its right is a 6. So same as before, that 6 is going to tell that 9 to increase by 1, which means it's going to increase to a 10, but we can't put a 10 there, which means it's going to bump over one more place. And we are going to have a 5 followed by all zeros for 5 million. Round 38,507, 219 to the nearest million. The 8 is in the millions place. The number to its right is a 5, so it will round up. So we copy down our 3. Our 8 goes up to a 9, and everything to the right of it becomes a 0, or 39 million. Round 6,849,999 to the nearest 10,000. The 4 is in the 10,000s place, and the number to the right of it is a 9, which rounds up. So we copy down our 6 and our 8, our 4 goes up 1, and everything to the right of it becomes zeros for 6,850,000.